nako, ang Pop Mart. Look at how. Ang ganda. Hello Kitty. Little twin stars. Sweet besties. Cute. Look at that. So cute din eh, Pop Mart. Look at Molly. But the big one is better, oh.
Yeah. Oh my god. Okay.
Look. Le Petit France. Look at that. Even Snow White, even boxes. Look at that. Spider-Man. Ay, nako. Cute nito eh. Look at that. Ang cute to. Talagang Coca-Cola, wala pa rin. Oo.
Beke yung pakaramdam. Nasaan ang games mo? Wala pa yan.
Ay, nako. Wala talaga eh. Wala pa available. Wala eh. Sunday daw dumating yung stock nyo. Ubus agad. Nasa simbahan ako. Dapat pala 10 a.m. ng Sunday. Andito ka na.
Yan ang morning din po, mabilis na ubus.
Kaya nga. Dapat 10 a.m.
Opo. Gawa nang may mga pila din po sa labas.
Talagang payamanin natin ang China nito eh. Walang Coca-Cola eh. Hello, Polar. Ang cute naman.
Not what you feel. Don't let the colors fade when it's hard to deal. So pick up the
Angry Molly?
pieces.
Ba't naman Angry Molly?
Get yourself up when you look down and move. We think we know it all. It's the time for you slow. The head under world. I think I've seen it all, but I've come so far. just got me high till I broke down. Just somebody, somebody,
Wala talaga ako makukuha nito.
where to go. Just somebody, somebody, somebody know. Just somebody, somebody, somebody know. All the things and queens and colors know. Every time that your eyes speak, it's time to let go. Just somebody, somebody, somebody know.
Bumili po ng ticket. Ano naman yan? Ay, bakit?
Ayun siya, no? Ah, ito. Ah, nasa TV siya. Ito. Ah, nasa camera. Cute din siya. Ay, nako. Na makukuha. Ah, ito pala siya. Look at the bag.